Now, however, access to insurance by this category of workers remains a challenge. My question is, what is micro insurance and how different is it from the traditional insurance that we all know?
Thank you so much, DJ.
Yes.
Before I start, I want to say a very big thank you to GIA, which is led by Miss Arita Duku. She's the first ever female president. Okay. And also thank you to my MD, Dr. Isa Namfuri, for giving me this opportunity to represent my company. Yeah, back to your question.
Okay.
Yes, it is a known fact, as you've said, that 80% of our working population is the informal.
Right.
Micro-insurance is a concept that breaks down our traditional insurance into something small. And it's for the informal people, those who do their own work, those who don't have fixed income, and most of them too don't have job security.
Okay.
So it's the same insurance, but we've broken it down to their level that they can do it conveniently.
So it's not that different from what the traditional one?
It is not different. It's the same insurance, but we've broken it down to their level.
Okay, so what category of people actually form the informal sector workers for whom micro insurance products have been designed and offered on the market?
Yeah, as I said earlier, those who do their own work.
Okay.
They don't have fixed income. So it means their income, they get it either daily, weekly, or whichever. Today they would get, tomorrow they would not get. So you can talk of the traders in the markets, drivers,
right.
The commercial drivers, and what have you. Anybody who doesn't do a formal job that gets monthly income, that you have a monthly salary, comes in the informal sector.
If you just tune in, it's time with our insurance. We're talking about micro insurance and the informal sector with Mrs. Josephine Dossah-Dumenyah. So my next question is this: how are micro insurance premiums paid? If their story is quite different. How are the premiums paid?
Yeah, in the past, the insurance products that we designed. Let me talk of life because I'm a life person. Okay. So I'll veer too much into life.
Right.
Yeah. In the past, the policies that were designed or the product that were designed, premiums were paid monthly. So we take it from their bank, deductions from their bank, from their employers, and Controller and Accountant General's Department. Okay. That's where we take, or you come to our offices to come and pay at the end of every month. Okay. But with the informal, because of the way the work is, today you go to the market, you make so much. Tomorrow it wouldn't be so. So we don't tell them to come. We go to them. We go to them daily to go and collect their premiums. And as I said, we've broken it down to their level. So the premiums are not so big. You can pay as low as 5 cedis a day, 2 cedis a day. Yes.
Something convenient.
Something convenient. And when we go and we do you pay, and we'll give you an instant receipt. That is through, now it's technology all the way. So when you pay, you get your receipt in real time.
Instantly.
Yeah. Instantly.
So some market traders see micro insurance products as susu. I mean, you were talking about 5 cedis a day. Some see it as susu. How do you clear the minds on this perception?
Yeah, this is a perception that we've been having, or they've been asking us always. Fine, it's susu in a way that in the way they pay daily, but the concept is not so. As I told you earlier on, it is the same insurance that we've broken it down to their level. Okay. So you talk of your own pension. Market women, most of them don't have pension, though the SNAIT have started something that they can do their own pension, but most of them don't do it. So it is a way of doing your own pension. You pay daily, that in the near future you can have something to support you and even support your business. You can also do for education, to support your children's education. You know, education is not all about paying school fees, but other stuff that can help your child's education. And you can also do for funeral. You cover yourself, your spouse, your parents, your children, your nuclear family, you can. So, as I said, it is not susu. The typical susu, the susu man will come and collect every day. And at the end of the month, maybe take 1 day, then give the rest to you. Okay. This one, it's not so. We are helping you to pay your premium, but we come for the money daily, bit by bit, so that we can cover your insurance. And let me chip this one in.
Please do.
My MD brought a topic that we are going to have a debate on, and I'm gathering my points. Maybe I don't know what I'm going to speak for or against.
Go ahead.
Insurance, is it for the rich or the poor? And I don't know, as I said, I don't know what I'm going to debate for or against, but I have my points. I'm gathering more. At the end of the day, you would see that insurance is for everybody. But in the past, we were only focusing on those in the informal sector, because of the convenience where we could collect our money then.
Collection, very important.
Yes, but now, because of technology and the way things are going, we have to focus on them also, because they also need insurance. A typical example, we started this insurance in 2004, that is 2004. There is this Okro woman who was also paying bit by bit. By then it was 1 cedi, like 10,000 then.
Okay.
And less than 5 years, when the person came for the proceeds, it was so much. The woman have not seen such a lump sum before. So we have to help her to go and open an account and put it there. It's a form of pension for that woman. Yes.
Ooh, I like that. So micro insurance products are not short-term policies then?
It can be short. We make it flexible for them.
Oh.
Yes. We make it flexible. As I said, we've broken it down.
Okay.
So when they take it, maybe after 6 months, you can start taking some. The insurance that we have designed for them, it is not all risk, or it is not all that when they pay their premium, at the end of a period, they lose all their monies, or at the end of a period, it expires with the premium they've paid. We have made it both the risk and the investment. It means that we've taken some to cover their life, and at the end of a period, they can cash in to support them. As I said, we can use it for pension, to support them when they are on pension. You can cash in as and when. Exactly.
So this will make it attractive for those in the formal sector then. So does it mean that those in the formal sector can also access some of the products in the informal sector?
Yes. In my office, about 90% of us, we have the informal product, because as I said, every day when you come to work, let's take it that I said every day I'm going to spend 50 cedis.
Right.
So when I come to work, I can choose to put 10 cedis aside or 20 cedis aside. It will be on my blind side, but at a point in time, it will be so much for me. And there are some people too who cannot come to our office to pay, but they said they want to take the informal or the micro insurance. So when we sign them on, at the end of the month, they send us money via mobile money or any other electronic means. So it is not only for the market women.
Not only for the market. If you're listening to me out there, you're interested, well, this is it. Now, any message for the tomato seller and my people around, the trotro driver, on what micro insurance seeks to help them achieve?
Yes. For the trotro driver, tomato seller, I will tell them that one, every day when we wake up, we go to the wherever we are doing our work. Right. The sun, the scorching sun, we are under it. If it's raining, we are under it. Have you asked yourself that tomorrow, if you go home and you are unable to come the following day, what is there for you? Because you don't have any snake or you don't have anything that you are putting down for tomorrow in case of such event. So I will tell them that they should try as much as possible to have this micro insurance. And I would say that fine, the NIC is pushing for us with this micro insurance so that we reach out to all of them. Right. So now we even have a coalition that periodically we go to the market center, the churches, where have you, to talk to the people, to educate them so that everybody can buy into it. We say and we say again that insurance is not only for the formal sector, the informal sector, it is there for them. So a tomato seller, a watch seller, a driver, a trotro mate, whatever you get a day, try to put aside at least 5 cedis, and it will help you in the near future. Micro insurance,
oh my God, you did that so much. But you were talking about life. What is that about quality life assurance?
Quality life assurance. Our tagline is we inspire trust. Yes. Now, as I said, that GIA, NIC, we are all trying to educate the public. We want to gain the trust of the insuring public. Yes, we want to gain their trust. So we go everywhere. Quality life. We are for the Catholic Church.
Okay.
Yes, the Catholic Bishops' Conference, they established it. We go to churches, groups, any social group, we are there.
Right.
We provide them with individual policies. We provide them with group policies. When you come to quality life, we have our quality investment plan. That one caters for your pension. Your QIP, quality education plan, caters for your children's education.
Okay.
Then QSP for yourself. Maybe you have a project 4 years, 5 years that you want to do. You can take the QSP so that at the end of 2-3 years, you have that lump sum to go and do whatever you want to do. And the QFSP, our funeral policy. You can cover yourself, cover your spouse, and cover your children. The group policies that we have, the group welfare policy for churches, we have for schools. We do schools, the school children. We do for them. In case they go to school, they are injured, they lose their parents, even the teachers. We cover all of them. An institution. Now, every institution should try and get a group policy for their staff. So when you come to quality life, in fact, our claims payment, we are one of the best. We don't waste time at all. When you come, you will get all that we need. And we've trained our staff so much so that they will live by our core values to provide quality and excellent service to attract and retain our customers. So quality life, we inspire trust.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Josephine Dossah-Dumenyah, educating us on microinsurance and the informal sector worker. Thank you very much for all that education, of course, and also giving us what quality life assurance is all about. I wish you a good day, a good afternoon, and thank you very much for joining us on Drive Time. Remember, the GIA Complaints Management and Advice Bureau toll-free number is 0800 44 2000. Insurance companies, claims payment, our business. And of course, before you go, how can people reach you if they are interested in this?
Yeah, thank you. I have at Adabraka near Roxy Cinema.
Okay.
Peter's house. Our phone number is 055 658 9662. 055 658 9663 and 5. We have our branches all over the country.
Okay.
Anywhere you get to, you see quality, and we will serve you better. Before I go, I want to say hello to my chartered insurance ladies. Once I'm the president and I'm here, I have to give a shout out to them. Everybody listening to me. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for joining us to keep it locked on Drive Time on Joy 99.7 FM. Still, we're talking about the informal sector. Here's Informal from Snow.